My name is Noura Berupa and I'm a member of EYP's International Board. And at the Innovation Lab, I spoke about how EYP better can mobilize around some of the frameworks and points of reference that other stakeholders in society work with. In EYP, every year we have over 1,500 discussions, 1,500 topics being discussed. How can we make sure that those topics are aligned with topics that other people think we should discuss? And how can we make sure that our participants really come away from our events with the tools they need to become active citizens and take steps to improve their societies and make them more sustainable?
I'm Davit, I'm the president of EYP Armenia. We had the innovative idea of incorporating study trips to the concept of EYP. However, we were not sure where to start from and how to do it. So I came to the Innovation Lab to exchange with ideas from other people from network and expert alumni. Hopefully after the Innovation Lab, I'll have more information and I will know the concrete steps how to reach our goals.
Hi, my name is Lars. I organized an international event in 2017 in Norway. I'm here now at the Innovation Lab to share some of the experiences that we made from that event. The innovative parts that we did during our event is lifting the cultural program to be one of the main parts of the organizing part of the event, and lifting national issues to a European level instead of taking European issues to a national situation.
Hi, I'm Eline from EYP Belgium. Last year I had organized an EYP session in Mechelen. It was an international forum with 150 participants, and something new we tried to implement in the format was trying to connect with the local community in the city. This went two ways. On the one hand, we tried to get information from the local community to implement in our outputs. And on the other hand, we wanted to encourage them to become more active citizens. We tried to implement this in various ways, and this is what I presented today to show the others how you can implement new and innovative ideas to their conferences.
Hey there, my name's Luke. I'm organising an event in Ireland for EYP. I'm currently attending the Innovation Lab here in Berlin. And so far it's been a really good experience. I've learned so much, and I think there's a lot that I can bring to my session now that I've attended this event. For starters, I've realised that if we involve more local people in our events, it really increases the impact that we will have in the local community, which makes it more impactful for everyone that is involved. And also, we talked a lot about sustainability at the event. I think something that I can definitely take to my own event is how we can incorporate more sustainable transport both around the event and when people are coming to the event. And I think these are two concrete ideas that I can really apply at the event.
We need the Innovation Lab because in EYP we have this amazing methodology that we've been improving and working on for over 30 years. Right now, all governments and stakeholders are mobilizing to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. There is a key role that EYP can play in achieving those goals by making sure that young people discuss those issues, by making sure that young people take an active role in their societies as active citizens to improve their communities and their own lives. How do we make EYP more impactful, and how do we make sure that EYP has a very concrete impact on society?